Hello viewers, I Shivanki welcome back you all to the YouTube channel of Holy Cross Texas School. Today I am here with the detailed information of one such professional who was once visited by the patient having severe acute injuries, unimaginable deformities with acute pain and agony. But nowadays it has become a source of beauty and self-satisfaction. I know all of you have started thinking about what I am talking today. Let me make it a little bit more easier for you. The stream I am talking about is related to the field of medicine and doctors. I know it's not easy to guess the correct answer. The thing I am talking about is related to surgery. Today we will be going to talk about a plastic surgeon. Who is exactly a plastic surgeon? Plastic surgeon is a person who was once required when a person was having severe acute burning injury, especially on the facial part. But as we have entered into the modern era of technology and the field of medicine, this has become demandable day by day to enhance the beauty. As the stream is becoming demandable day by day, that's why I was forced to make this video to let you know about some of the most important questions related to this field, such as who exactly is a plastic surgeon? What are the eligibility criteria to become a plastic surgeon? What are the skills required to become a plastic surgeon? What are the career opportunities after opting this field? What kind of salary prospectus you are going to get after doing this course? And most important part is how to become a plastic surgeon. So let's start with the very basic question. What is a plastic surgeon? A plastic surgeon is a professional, is licensed medical practitioner who specializes in the tissue transfer, body contouring and laser surgery. The restoration of normal form and function is the objective of plastic and reconstructive surgery. Basically, the plastic surgeon used to enhance the beauty of the external body part. He used to deform the shape and size of the body. As nowadays people are becoming advanced and plastic surgery is becoming more and more luxury than a surgical treatment. Next is eligibility conditions. What are the eligibility conditions to opt this field? My dear viewers, the eligibility conditions to become a plastic surgeon is that in class 11th and 12th you have to opt medical as your stream. Means you have to choose physics, chemistry and biology in your 11th and 12th. You have to pass your 12th class with medical line. Then afterwards you have to follow a 5.5 years MBBS degree. 12th class pass in medical stream, which will be followed by a 5.5 years MBBS degree. Now how you will get this MBBS degree? NEET UG, one of the common entrance tests which is conducted by National Testing Agency everywhere in the month of May and June to offer course in the field of MBBS. This exam you have to give. After clearing the exam, you will get admission into MBBS into the various colleges that are located all over India. This is the process how you will get admission into MBBS. There are so many other entrance tests which you can follow up on. Next is what are the skills required to become a plastic surgeon? Required skills are you should have a good hand-eye coordination, visuospatial perception and excellent vision. When compared to the regular workplace, working as a plastic surgeon necessitates a high degree of intelligence. You should be able to inspire others' faith and have outstanding communication and organizational skills. Communication and organizational skills are not only important in the field of medical line or in the field of plastic surgery only. It is important in each and every field wherever you will go, as communication enables you to do your work with more efficiency. Next is, if you really want to follow upon this career, then if you are really looking forward to be a plastic surgeon, then the knowledge of process to become the one is must. Plastic surgeon is different from another doctor in a very special way, as he should have very innovative ideas to deal with the different kinds of deformities, with the different kinds of patient. Now the most important question which is coming in your mind is how you can become a plastic surgeon. So here today I am having a step-by-step process that how you can opt this career as your field. So how to become a plastic surgeon? Step number first, candidate who have qualified 10+2 means 12th class with physics, chemistry and biology as main subject, or while appearing in 12th class exam need to clear any of the medical entrance exams so that you could get admission in MBBS course of reputed medical colleges in India. How to become a plastic surgeon? Step first, candidates who have qualified 10+2 means 12th class with physics, chemistry and biology as the main subject, or while appearing in 12th class exams need to clear any of the medical entrance exam so that you could get admission in MBBS course of reputed medical colleges in India. The separate test is conducted by some of the highly rated medical institutions like AIIMS, PGI, GMCH, AFMC Pune, etc. These exams are generally held in the month of May and June. Yes, all the entrance tests of medical line like NEET UG, AIIMS, etc. these all are conducted in the month of May and June to provide you admission in the MBBS, that is doctorate line. After next step is NEET SS, means super specialty entrance exam to secure a training position in the 3-year plastic surgery course leading to much degree. Step number 4, in case you are not able to secure a good rank in the NEET SS exam, you can also undergo plastic surgery training from private hospitals with DNB, that is Diploma of National Board Accreditation. Yes, if you are unable to score a good rank in NEET or in AIIMS or any other paper that you have attempted, then what you can do, you can take admission into private college that is giving the studies of that particular field. As you know, MBBS line is not too much easy. It requires a high level of education plus a license. Next is, as you know about the process, how to become a plastic surgeon. Now, next question arises in your mind, if you become a plastic surgeon, what are the career prospects and what kind of job opportunities you can grab after becoming a plastic surgeon? There are so many career opportunities in the field of plastic surgeon. If you are not getting a chance in a government hospital, you can open your own clinic also. You can go into a private hospital also to perform all the types of surgery. Now, career prospects and job opportunities are as follows. There is a very good scope for plastic surgeons not only in government sector but also in private sectors and plastic or cosmetic surgery centers too. There are so many centers also of plastic and cosmetic surgeries, as plastic surgeons deforms the shape and the structure of the external body part that is done by reconstructive and cosmetic techniques. Yes dear all, plastic surgeon is perform procedures to enhance the beauty of an individual. So these are the career prospects which you can get after doing your MBBS in the particular field of plastic surgery. Next is pay packages or salary. As you have become a plastic surgeon, whether it is a private hospital, whether it is your own clinic, whether you are in a government hospital, the pay packages and salary of a doctor, whether it is any doctor or it is a plastic surgeon, salary is much more than your demand. If I talk about the salary structure of a plastic surgeon, if I talk about only fresher, a fresher got rupees 70,000 to rupees 90,000, it's per month. 70,000 to 90,000 per month when you are a fresher. When you will be experienced or you will get training in that particular job, then your salary will increase from 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh per month. So now you can analyze the basic pay package of a plastic surgeon is very much as per the fresher and experience. As a fresher candidate is also getting near about 1 lakh, then the experienced candidate is getting near about 2 lakhs, and when you will open your own clinic, when you will do the surgeries, means if you have done one surgery in one day, then the salary and the pay packages, you can analyze what you are going to get in the complete month. So pay packages and salary also is a very good in this kind of job. Success isn't just about what you accomplish in your life, it's about what you inspire others to do. Yes, get motivated and be motivated. I hope this video will be very helpful for all the candidates who want to prefer this field as their own job as a plastic surgeon. If you have any kind of query in any step, so you can ask me in the comment section box. I will be able to give you answers as soon as possible. For more informative videos, hit the like button and subscribe the school YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.